Hello everyone. In today's video, we have the Instant Pot Milk Frother, a 4-in-1 electric milk steamer that will elevate your daily coffee routine. This automatic hot and cold foam maker and milk warmer can make lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos with ease. Let's dive into its features and what makes this product a must-have for coffee lovers. Review. The Instant Pot Milk Frother is a game changer when it comes to enhancing your coffee experience. It comes with a 4-in-1 feature that allows you to create hot foam, cold foam, milk warming, and coffee steaming. This product is built with quality in mind and designed to be user-friendly, making it the perfect addition to any coffee enthusiast's kitchen. Features: 4-in-1 functionality, hot foam, cold foam, milk warming, and coffee steaming. Capacity: 10 ounces, 295 milliliters, ideal for making multiple cups of coffee or lattes. Power: 500 W for fast and efficient performance. Sleek black design, stylish and fits seamlessly into your kitchen decor. Automatic function, easy to use with a simple button press to create perfect foam every time. This milk frother is perfect for making various types of coffee like lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. Its user-friendly operation saves time and effort while ensuring a high-quality foam that will enhance your coffee's flavor and texture. Amazon customer reviews. On Amazon, the Instant Pot Milk Frother has received glowing reviews from customers. Many users praise its versatility, with several noting how it quickly and easily creates both hot and cold foam, perfect for making professional-level lattes and cappuccinos at home. A lot of reviewers appreciate the frother's sleek design and its quiet operation. Customers also highlight its ease of cleaning, with many saying it's hassle-free and saves time. The product is also recognized for its excellent value for the price, offering top-quality performance at an affordable cost. Here are some of the key highlights from customer reviews. Ease of use: this milk frother is so easy to use. One button and my foam is perfect every time. Fast frothing: it froths milk in seconds and is great for making cappuccinos and lattes. Quiet: it's quieter than my previous frother, which is a nice bonus. Great design: the black finish looks great in my kitchen, and it's compact enough to store easily. So, if you're a coffee lover looking to upgrade your coffee game, the Instant Pot Milk Frother is an excellent choice. Its sleek design, powerful performance, and ease of use will surely impress you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.